Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be showing you guys an ephemera pack, well, bag, because I had this whole bag filled with all this ephemera, and it's my stash from last year, so I must have packed it up. I am almost 100% sure this is not all the ephemera I have for Christmas, but I have not begun to dig in to my Christmas stash. I just happened to look for something and came across this bag, so that's why I want to share it with you guys. So a lot of this right here on this side is from last year. This right here is new to the stash, and it's the Peachy Cheap deal that was shown on November 4th, and it's the Cartabella Cabin Fever, it's the Echo Park I Love Christmas, Cartabella Deck the Halls, and I Love Winter by Laurie Whitlock in Echo Park. So that's what these look like. So these are new to the stash. I'll be playing with those during the series. You guys, I got my jammies on. And let's see what we have in here, because I need to store them away in a different way that I started storing my ephemera. I'm going to enter a clip real quick right now showing you guys how I store my ephemera packs and how I have them set up in my desk. So let's go look at that real quick. So yes, that is my hoarding situation. I have way too much ephemera, and believe it or not, guys, don't kill me, but that is not even all of it, because I have so much more brand new packs in my Maggie Holmes cart and on my pegboard. I know, I'm horrible. Who needs that much ephemera? This crazy lady over here. So we have the Echo Park A Perfect Christmas. I fell in love with all the Echo Park from last year, so I picked it up. So we have that one. Obviously there's a pack of numbers here for like an advent calendar, which, stay tuned you guys, I made some magic. Then we have Mistletoe Kisses by Simple Stories. Oh, I even have some enamel dots. I'm gonna take those out of there and put them in my enamel. These are so cute. Look, you guys. Oh my god, I cannot wait to Christmas craft, you guys, and for my series. I am so excited. And then we have Classic Christmas by Simple Stories. Oh, I can show you guys back here. Look at the little dress. So cute. I didn't show you guys this one. Look at this one. So these, I think, are from last year. Well, this was 2016. So we have those. We got I remember I bought 2 packs of this because I think I opened one. This is the Tim Holtz Christmas one from last year. I always get the Halloween pack and the Christmas one. Love these. We got some gold Christmas trees. Oh, I got these little flake stickers from Daiso. These were sent to me in some Happy Mail, because you guys already know that I don't have a Daiso. I dropped something. Okay, we got some numbers, and this is from My Mind's Eye, Comfort and Joy. And that's what that looks like. And I don't know what this is, but let's open it up. Christmas ephemera just makes me so happy. Oh, this looks interesting. If you guys see things that you know and I don't mention the name, feel free to comment it, because look at this gift. Is that not the cutest? I do not know where this ephemera belongs, but it's super cute. Look at the houses. I don't know, but it's adorable. And if you know the name of it, put it in the comment section, guys. That way that I know and I can put it in the label maker and label it. We have some cute little phrases here. Let's see. Echo Park, A Perfect Christmas. Some more tags. And then, ooh, what is this? Is that a mint green tree? See, you guys, I forget the things that I have. Oh my gosh, look at this tree. You guys, this is beautiful. What is this? Where is this from? Oh, we gotta look through this. We gotta look through what we got. All right, let's see. Look at this. Oh, you guys. What should I make with this collection? It's so beautiful. And you know what? I just thought of something. I have a digital collection from Etsy, once again, that matches this collection perfectly. With the mint, don't get tongue tied, Lily. Mint green Christmas trees. Look at this, like a vintagey, and it's by Kaiser Crafts. You guys, this collection, I wonder if this has paper. I'm gonna definitely be Googling after I, well, not film because I'm filming it, after I upload this video. Look how pretty. It's like pink poinsettias and ornaments. And I don't even think I used it. Look at how pretty. But I only have one Christmas tree. Like, how? How can I even use that? I'm gonna definitely need to search this and see if I can find it, because if I only have one little Christmas tree, that's gonna have to be hoarded. I don't know where this is from, but it is adorable, and I need to know the name. Hold on one second. Let's put this back in here. Our Beautiful Family. What's this called? It's by Kaiser Crafts, and it's called Christmas Wishes, you guys. That's beautiful. I don't even remember buying this. Okay. What is this? This is, I think, this is ephemera from a shop that used to be on Instagram but is no longer. So it's like vintagey Christmas, I think. I'm pretty sure it is. But I think they're no longer. It's like it was a business that she had with her mom. This is super cute. And I think I fussy cut it. So it was like a digital, and then I cut it myself. I'm gonna have to look through my emails and see if I can like recut it. This is so fun. So we have that one. I'm gonna have to put this as like a vintage ephemera. Then we have, what is this? Some more numbers. We have these. I think this is from a, not pocket letter, what was I gonna say? What do you call those cards? The Project Life cards. This was a Christmas kit, and then you got the little ephemera pieces. How cute is this mason jar? Is that not adorable? So I know for sure that that's what this is from. And then we have some pebbles. I know this is pebbles because I recognize their ephemera. I just don't know the collection name. But it's the one with the cute pajamas. You get the little car with the tree, the gingerbread house, the little globe. I love Pebbles Christmas collections. They're always so pretty. So that's that one. I can definitely make a little envelope for that one. And then what is this? We have so much fun stuff, you guys. My Mind's Eye, Comfort and Joy. And you get all these good pieces. And then we have Cartabella, Have a Merry Christmas. Don't remember this one either. But it looks interesting. And this is a little Christmas kit, and it's Claus and Co. by Simple Stories. And you get these little cards and tags. That's fun to make like loaded envelopes and stuff. Then we have Doodlebug. Which one is this one? Here Comes Santa Claus, and those are all the pieces you get. I need to get the new one. They have a new Christmas collection out. Definitely want it, because I have this one, which is Oh, there's a hair here. Hold on. Gross. Okay, so there's this one, which I think is, I think this is the pulp. No, I don't, because I have cream and sugar, but I don't think it's this one. This is another Christmas collection. Look at that little mug, you guys. Doodlebug makes the cutest collections. I'm over here just as shocked as you guys, because I haven't seen this stuff in over a year. So I'm like, what? It's like all new to me. How cute is that? I love this. I cannot wait to play. And then we got some little cup pieces here, which look like comfort and joy to me. We have some of these. We got Bella Boulevard gift tags that look like this. Ooh. We have some Simple Stories, Very Merry. These look interesting. I like these little cards like this. Frosty. Let me see. Look at this little Christmas tree. Not Christmas tree. The truck with the Christmas tree. So cute. I didn't even know I had half these things. Why is this back here? Should I move it to the front or... Yeah, so you can see the everything you get. Look at that. How cute is that? And then we have some brads. Super cute. You see, here's the second pack. I think the... Oh, that could have all fell out. The other Tim Holtz Christmas ephemera pack. I knew I had two of them because I found them on clearance. We have some Pebbles tags. Ooh, this is some crepe paper, fa la la. Oh, I needed this. And then we have this one, which I can tell is a digital collection that I printed out. They always come out with a blue and white collection all the time. Then we have Cartabella, A Very Merry Christmas. And that's what you get. And then we have, oh, this is the cute collection. This is Santa Stops Here by Bella Boulevard. And look how cute, you guys, this ephemera is. Do you guys see those beautiful little pieces? Look at the little elf and the Santa's face. Cute! I found some stickers, some little Santa stickers. These are from Target last year. And then lastly, we got some Snow Village by Pink Paisley. And these are, what are these? Like little tags, like vellum numbers and ephemera pieces. That's what you get. And what else I have here? I have some more cut ephemera. And then we got some tags. And then there's some advent calendar numbers. So yeah, you guys, this is what everything, well, what everything, that makes no sense, Lily. This is everything that was inside that bag that I came across accidentally. So I will at some point do my Christmas stash once I pull everything out, but I have two more things that I need to do for Halloween because I'm selling gifts, not gifts, the gift bags. And if you wanted a Halloween theme, I was doing it, so I don't want to put it away because I'm working on that. But that's it for this video. Let me know what you think of my stash so far. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.